Hello everyone. Today we'll compare interpreters versus compilers using two programming approaches, Python as an interpreted language and C++ as a compiled one. By the end, you'll understand not only the technical differences but also when to choose one over the other. Let's start with interpreters. An interpreter executes code line by line, almost like reading instructions from a recipe as you cook. There's no need to prepare the entire dish before tasting. You can adjust as you go. This makes interpreters very flexible. You can quickly test ideas, catch mistakes early, and debug easily. Since errors show up right at the point of execution, for beginners and rapid prototyping, this approach feels very natural. Compilers work differently. Instead of executing line by line, a compiler takes the entire program, translates it into machine code, and only then runs it. This is like preparing all the ingredients, cooking the dish completely, and only serving it once it's ready. While this requires more upfront preparation, the benefit is speed. Once compiled, the program runs much faster because the computer doesn't need to interpret instructions in real time. This makes compilers the backbone of high performance applications like operating systems or games. Python is a great example of an interpreted language. It supports dynamic typing, meaning you don't need to declare variable types explicitly. It figures them out as the program runs. Its clean, concise syntax makes code look more like human language than machine instructions. Because of this, Python is a favorite for rapid development, data analysis, and even artificial intelligence projects. Developers can test ideas quickly and adjust them without going through a lengthy compilation process. Now let's look at C++. Unlike Python, C++ is a compiled language. It uses strong static typing, so the type of every variable must be declared in advance. This adds some complexity to coding but also brings precision and fewer runtime surprises. C++ also offers advanced features like memory management and low level access to the hardware, which gives developers powerful control. While the syntax can feel challenging compared to the Python, the payoff is speed and efficiency. The quality is essential for large applications like system software, 3D graphics, and high performance simulations. So if we compare them side by side, Python is all about immediacy. You write, you run, and you see results. It's like building a Lego model as you go, adding pieces and instantly checking how it works. C++, in contrast, is about planning. You need to design the full structure, compile it, and only then test it. This preparation makes the final product stronger, faster, but it takes more upfront work. In short, Python gives you flexibility and fast feedback, while C++ gives you power and speed. Let's put this into real world scenarios. Python shines in web development. Frameworks like Django and Flask make it easy to build websites quickly. It's also a top choice for data analysis, where libraries like pandas, and NumPy allow scientists to experiment and visualize results instantly. C++, on the other hand, dominates in system level software, such as operating systems and compilers themselves. It's also the go to for game development, where performance is critical. The smooth graphics and real time responsiveness in modern games are possible because of C++. So, to wrap up, interpreters like Python offer flexibility, readability, and fast development. Compilers like C++ provide speed, efficiency, and control. There isn't a single best choice. It depends on what you need. If your project demands quick iteration and experimentation, Python is your friend. If you need raw performance and stability, C++ might be the better option. The beauty of programming is that both have their place. As developers, we often use them together, picking the right tool for the right job.